Hey guys, welcome to Recipe Time. Today we're going to be making unicorn yogurt bark, which is really fun and actually a really easy recipe. And so all you need is about 1.5 cups of yogurt. I'm using vanilla Greek yogurt, and then you're going to separate that into about 1/2 cup into 3 separate bowls. And then you're going to use some food dye and then also some fun sprinkles. And so I already have mine, my 1/2 cup of yogurt in each bowl, and I'm gonna go ahead and start adding about 4 to 6 drops of food coloring to each one. It's a cute little sound. And then we're gonna mix that up. And I think I'm actually gonna just do 1 pink, 1 purple, and then leave the other one just white so that you can, so it's not as much color, but you can kind of distinguish. This is very pink. And there's Maverick, he heard stirring. Okay. So pink. Oh my goodness. Are you helping? Yeah. Ugh, muscles. And then I'm gonna do my purple. I don't know, I may do the green one. I don't know, feeling crazy. I don't know that I'll ever make unicorn yogurt bark ever again, so this is a pretty color. He's licking his lips. He doesn't even know what it is. Purple, okay, let's do green. Why not, you know? And then I've already prepared just like a small baking dish with parchment paper. That's what we're gonna put. Uh-oh, did it drop? May have dropped some green in there. I'm not sure if that's green or purple. These are all pretty colors. I think in my head this is frosting, and so the smell is different and it's throwing me off. I'm scared. I think it's purple. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see. Look at those bright colors, and there's my coffee. And so now we're just gonna do little drops, spoonfuls of the yogurt in there, and then we're gonna swirl them. This is so fun. I'm gonna get as much out as I can. I think the green is, the teal is my favorite. This kind of reminds me from the movie Hook, when they had the food fight. That's what it kind of feels like. All the children will not know what we were talking about, but. Okay. See that? Oh, it's so pretty. All right, and then I'm gonna use another spoon to kind of just swirl that. And you can mix it. Oh my goodness. This looks so fun. I may not swirl it too much more because I want it to. I'm trying to flatten it out a little bit. I don't know that it really matters, but the purple kind of took over a little bit. So that's what it looks like. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of sprinkles because it's already very colorful. Okay. There it is. And then we're going to put this in the freezer and let it sit for about 4 hours or until it's completely frozen. And then we'll take it out and then break it all up. So I will show you that when it's done freezing. Hey guys, all right, our unicorn yogurt bark is all done. Still looks the same, just it's super cold. And so then I'm going to kind of lift it out and break it up a little bit. So it just lifts out like that. And the parchment paper peels off. Super easy. I say that and then it doesn't. I don't know how that works. Oh, I think something got trapped underneath. That's okay. This looks so weird. And then I'm just gonna kind of break it up. Let's see if I can. Whoa. I do not have the strength for this. And my hands are very sensitive to colds, but. Oh, this is so pretty. This would be a great, and I'm breaking it up and I'm getting all colorful. This would be a nice like afternoon snack if you've just been playing outside when it's super hot. Because it's kind of healthy because it's just yogurt. And so probably tastes super good after being outside. And one more piece and then I'll show you guys, I think. Oh my gosh, my hands are so cold. Yep, there we go. So there is our unicorn bark. Yeah, super pretty. And that would just be so fun, and especially if you're having like a unicorn party. That's what I wish we were doing, is having a unicorn story time, and we could have unicorn yogurt bark and I'll be wearing unicorn horns. But here we are. But I hope you guys enjoy making this, and I'd love to see your unicorn yogurt bark if you make it. All right,